Assalamu alaikum. This video is for LS2 and 3 mathematics. So this is question number 7 of exercise 10D. This is the diagram. So in the first part we have to find the reflex angle AOB. So AOB, the reflex angle, is the bigger angle. So you can see this sector, the major sector, will be having the reflex angle AOB, the bigger angle. So for the arc, we know that arc length is given to us in the question. This is question number 17. So the arc length is given to us is 24 meter, and the radius here is also given to us 6 meter. So we will use the arc length and the radius to find the theta, which is our angle. So arc length equals to r theta. We will simply use this formula. R is here, radius is r, it is 6 here, arc length is 24. We will simply put the values and then rearrange to find the angle theta, which is 4. Now in the second part we have to find the length AB, this length AB. So here we will again use the cosine rule. This is the cosine rule we will use, because the cosine rule can be used to find. There are two conditions in which we can use cosine rule. Number one is when 3 sides are given to us of a triangle and no angles are given, so we can find the unknown angles. The second use is when 2 angles and 1 side is given to us, and we have to find the third unknown side. So here the third unknown side AB we have to find, and we know the angle and also the length of the 2 other sides. So we will use this formula. AB is our unknown side. AB square equals to 6 square plus 6 square, which are the sides that are known, 6 and 6. Here 2, again the sides will multiply together, 6 and 6, and then cos 4. Cos 4 is cos theta. Theta is 4 here, so we will put cos 4. Just put these values, we will solve. Here AB square has this answer after solving this, but we only want the answer of AB. So to get rid of this square, we will take square root on both sides. So square root will be cancelled here. We will take square root of 119.016. We will get 10.9 meters. Okay, so here we have part 3. Part 3 says find the area of the major segment. Okay, here one thing we need to focus on is, it says major segment. Major segment means we have to find the entire area of this diagram, which includes the major arc and this triangle also. So for example, if it would have said major arc, then we would have only found the area of the major arc here, which is in the blue color. However, it says here major segment, so we have to find the area of this entire diagram, which includes the blue, which is the major arc, plus the green triangle also. So we have to find the entire area. So for that, we will first find the area of the major sector, which is the one in blue only. This is the major sector, plus the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle AOB we have to find, and then we have to add both of them, because we are finding the entire area. So r set is very easy, 1/2 r square theta. R is radius, it is 6 square, and then theta is 4. Here we will use the formula for the area of the triangle, 1/2. The two sides which are making the angle 6 and 6 are making the angle at this side. So 6 is one side, 6 is one side. So 6 and 6 will be multiplied, 1/2, 6 into 6, and sine theta. Here theta is very important for us to understand. It is 2 pi by 4. Why? Because the smaller a, we know the angle subtended by the major sector, the bigger sector. Here it is 4, and as we all know, the area of the angle of the entire circle is 2 pi. So if I subtract the angle of the major arc, the one in blue, from the entire circle, I will only be left with the angle subtended by the triangle here, the green angle. So I've done this thing here, 2 pi minus 4 for sine. We will solve all these values, and we will be having the final answer, which is 85.62 centimeters square.